Hello friend, in this video tutorial today I will show you how to get Photoshop in 2020. So without talking so much, let's get started. I will provide a link just like that in my description. You have to just copy this and go to your Chrome browser and just paste this and click enter. You will find a Photoshop size 73.72. Just start now. It's an advertisement. Again, go back and click download now. I hope my download is started. Okay, didn't start it. Again, click. These are the advertisement. I hope my download is started. So till downloading, I am pausing my video. So as you can see, my download has been done. So uncheck my internet connection. Okay, then extract here. Okay, I have a folder, and then this is the setup. And here you can see the serial key. Then click accept. Create a desktop icon, license key, and here is the license key. Click next, install, and your Photoshop will be installed into your device. Okay. In 2019, they had made rules that if you want to download trial version, you need to have credit card. Okay, but if you follow my rules, you will not have any credit card. You can just simply install Photoshop in your laptop. Okay, it's taking time to open. As you know, it's a little bit heavy software. Okay. Started. So without getting hesitant, if you follow my rules, you will definitely. Okay, as you can see, you will able to definitely reach any photo. Thank you all. Assalamu alaikum.